Hey everyone, my name is Shivani Yadav. Welcome to the Easy as ABC Education. In this video, I will share my experience regarding my final year project, and I will also share that how I made a jugaad for my project. So without wasting any time, let's start the discussion. And yes, one thing more. At the end of the video, I will also share basically a module of machine learning code which you can use, which may you can use in your final year project. So let's start the discussion. Before starting the further discussion, I just wanted to make it clear that what is my purpose behind this video. So my purpose behind this video, if there is any student in tier 3 college who can get any help from my experience, then I will find myself very grateful. I use the word tier 3. I just wanted to make it clear that what exactly the tier 3 college means here. So basically in engineering college there used to be a 3 category of college, tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. So in tier 1 most of the IITs, BITS, Pilani comes under this category. What means that in tier 1 basically all the colleges come whose placement and whose packages are very awesome. And in tier 2 basically most of the NITs and triple IITs comes, and in tier 3 basically the rest colleges, all the state level university comes under this category. So I just wanted to help the student who are in tier 3 so that they can take a little help. So I am a tier 3 student, so I know what exactly happened, and basically maybe it is happened in my college or not happened in other college, but I just wanted to help the student who are like me. So what happens in my college, in the starting everyone just want a unique idea for the project, and very few were able to come with that a unique idea for a project and complete build, able to implement that. And at last everyone just start searching for a jugaad so that they can show the project into the college. So this was the status behind the project. So I just wanted to help those students to for their project work. So what happens in tier 3 college, most of the student generally used to prepare for some kind of exam like GATE, UPSC or any other exam, and they are some of the student who generally not used to be interested in computer science. They just wanted to explore in some other areas apart from computer science engineering. So and there used to be an exception also. So there used to be some of the creative student with some innovative idea. So if you are a student who are having some innovative idea and having a lots of skill regarding the technology, then I will suggest you, please believe in your idea and continue to explore on that. I think that this will really going to work for you seriously. So now I will discuss about our jugaad for the project. So basically our jugaad was that we got the placement in a company whose joining date was early. So our joining date was basically in January, February. So in the company we got trained in the technology, and the same technology we have made the project. So basically we got trained in Angular, Node.js, Mongo. So by using all this we have made the project at that time, and the same project we have shown in our college. So this was our jugaad, and intentionally we haven't created that, but it becomes. Now I will just discuss some resources that from which you can get some project. So basically GitHub is the basically a big platform where you can get your project. So basically in GitHub there are lots of public repositories. Repository means a directory. So in GitHub you will get lots of projects who are public, and from there you can get a little idea, and you can just take the whole project and add some feature and just show into your college. So this is what lots of students used to do. You can also try that. And from LinkedIn you can also search that. Basically you can search the project of any software engineer. Just go into his profile, open the project section. In project section you will going to see their final year project. So it, and there they used to put the GitHub link. So from LinkedIn you will also going to reach to the GitHub. So overall GitHub is the main hub where you will going to get your project. So in GitHub there are lots of public repos, you can get the project from there. And at last I will, as I told you, that I will share a little module. Basically in this module you will get a machine learning code. Basically it basically predicts that what basically the item is in the image. So when you're going to link with any image, then you will going to see, basically here I have attached the image of cup, and when you're going to open on the browser, then it will predict that yes, this image is having a cup, and what is the probability of being correctness that this item is a cup. And there is a 2 repository you will going to get, I mean 2 folder you will going to get there. So one for the item prediction and one for the predicting the item from the webcam. Basically it will going to open the webcam of your system, and then then it will, the whatever object comes in front of the webcam, it will going to predict that yes, this is the item, and it will also predict that yes, what is the probability of being it correctness. So this is the basically a little module. If you want, you can use in your project too. So I can also show you code by just running. So once you're going to clone the code, you will going to see these 3 files on your screen. So I can show you the code. So this is the image file, here is the HTML file. You simply have to open the HTML file on the browser. You're going to see that the image and the predicted item is cup, and the probability is given. You can change the image here. Here I have uploaded an image of coffee cup. You can upload, you can put here any image, it will going to predict the item and also write the probability here. Okay, and you can also use input type file, and that way you can upload the file and it will going to predict the item. You can use in that way also. Okay, and there's the next code which I have shown, that it will going to predict the item from the webcam. So here's the webcam. Okay, so here's the webcam. From webcam it will going to predict it. You can get the code in your system by just writing the command git clone and this link of the repository. So I will also put the details in the description below. You can take it from that also. And that's all I wanted to discuss. That's it. Thank you. Please, if you find it useful, then please like and subscribe to our channel. That's it. Thank you.